What are you having, Paris?
I'm having coffee.
Kami natakot kami. So, tumakbo kami papuntang kwarto. Kaming apat. Hello people, good afternoon. Welcome back sa channel natin. Today is Sunday, so happy Sunday everyone. Nakabihis ang mga tao.
This is.
Say good afternoon, Daddy.
Hello.
Oh, it's very dark. And so we're going for a walk. That's our little girl there. Little, not so little anymore. Have a look at the face. What's wrong, Ate Paris?
That's not big enough, like the...
What's wrong?
She thinks it's not big enough. Do you want to look like the Harley Davidson rider?
That's enough. Do you want it up?
Yes, up her leg. You mean to do this, like the black thing here.
Okay, so you know how to do it. Why don't you do it? It's okay, Daddy. Yan. Sobrang tulog yan, guys, because pinaliguan ko yan siya tapos nag-ready. So, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, she'll be done for a while, hopefully. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng araw. Can you see? Very sunny. It's very rare to have this kind of weather sa spring namin. Anak! Murag yung kurik ko. Alright, close the door. Kasi bukas, guys, ay balik na naman tayo sa reality sa Melbourne. Melbourne nga, buong weather. So maybe in a month, let's say 90% ano, cold, 10% na may araw. What's wrong, anak? It's not big enough?
It is big. No, she's crying now because she wants to publish. I think she wants.
Tingnan niyo, oh, big girl na ang Ate Paris pa.
Oh, a butterfly is flying.
Yeah. How many?
There's just two.
2.
See that?
Yes.
Flying all the way around. I like
Come on now, catch Daddy.
that. I'm gonna do a race.
Can you do fast?
Yes.
Show me, babe. Wow. Such a big girl.
But there's a butterfly flying.
Very soon, dalawa na silang mag-scooter. Nak, you haven't said hi to Tita and Tito yet, Nak. Ate. Hang on for a sec. Hang on.
Ready? I want to win too.
She wants to catch you, Daddy. You okay?
Paris, is it too high for you?
Oh.
Hi, sir. Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
How are you?
Where are you going?
Shops.
Hmm?
Shops.
Shops. What are you gonna do at the shops?
We're gonna have fish.
Food?
Yeah.
Are you sure? What are you having, Paris?
I'm having coffee.
Hang on, there's a car. Wait a minute, because there's a car coming.
Quick.
Okay. Oh, hang on. Wait. There's a car coming. You have to be very careful, okay?
I want to see the butterfly.
Yeah, I know. See, the car is coming. So you have to be very careful, honey, when you're riding your scooter. Okay? See? They nearly crashed. That's why, careful. Alright.
Okay.
Okay, keep going. Freewheeling, Daddy. Freewheeling.
Quick.
No, we have to stop, honey.
Okay.
I know. He's turning. We're cool. Let's go.
Turning.
Yep.
Silly.
Silly, Harry. You're not silly. We were just taking precautions.
My earrings for the card because I just see the card doing backwards.
Yeah, you were just being careful.
Yes, I did.
It's way too high.
The truck, the card nearly bumped me. It's nearly.
Nearly?
It's nearly me.
Oh my God, na nearly ni word na.
And it go forward. That way. We're gonna say freeze. We're gonna say freeze. I'll stop and not understand any part.
Okay. Well, I don't need. Okay, freeze. Okay. No? Okay. Let's go. I don't need to say freeze all the time, Nak, because I'm not with you all the time, so you have to check it yourself.
Let's say freeze.
Yeah.
Stop.
Let go.
Okay.
There's no cars.
There's no cars. Free wheel.
Cars?
Free wheel.
There's no
Okay.
cars. So you can go.
Yes, the green is
Green means.
go.
Ang galing-galing ni Ate Paris.
Mommy, I told you there's no cars.
You told me what? You told me what, anak?
Ah.
She knows how to brake.
Yeah, this is a gun. I told you.
Oh, that is the first time I've seen it.
I love that big leg.
Ala. Alam niyo kung paano mag-brake, guys. Sinano niya yung wheel. Will you me?
Go on.
Good girl. Where are you going?
Straight.
Hey, you have to go straight.
Yeah,
Sobrang
we'll do
galing.
sliding on the way back.
Sobrang galing ng ating baby girl. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, I'm very impressed.
Okay. Freeze.
Freeze! Are you proud of your daughter, Daddy?
Of course. This is my blood.
She's my
There's no cars, Mommy.
She's not just your blood, she's my blood
There's
too.
no cars.
Come on.
Half. There's no car, okay, we can go. We're very proud of you, Ate Paris.
Yay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you think babysitting will be the same, Daddy?
Yes.
Of course, because she's your blood too.
Yes.
We actually went for a walk yesterday as well. But hindi ako nakapag-vlog because sobrang ginaw. Melbourne buang na yung weather sa Melbourne. Oy. Sobrang ginaw kaya hindi ako ginanahang mag-vlog. So ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog kasi maganda yung ating panahon. Oh, alam niyo guys, the other day lumindol dito sa Melbourne ba? Sobrang natakot kami. And because next door nagre-renovate sila ng bahay nila. Akala namin gumagamit lang sila ng tools. Pero yung bahay ay gumanon man oh. Nagkurog-kurog ang bahay. Then we realized that it was an earthquake. At ano pa? What magnitude was it, Bob?
Let's go.
The earthquake?
Okay,
What magnitude was it?
5.8.
5.8. There you go. Sobrang lakas talaga. Kami natakot kami. So tumakbo kami papuntang kwarto. Kaming apat. Tapos, oh, beautiful flowers. Sobrang ano to. Katulad to ng daddy niya ba nakaka-appreciate. Sabi niya, look at the beautiful flowers. They're beautiful just like you. Come na. Natakot ako guys at alam niyo yung nag-worry ako kasi nga 'di ba sabi nila kapag naglindol you should sa ilalim ng mesa or sa ilalim ng basta may ilalim para if ever magiba yung bahay or whatever safe kayo. Tapos ilalim ng bed sana kami. Paano ngayon kasi may baby? Buti na lang nag-stop lang siya ba. Mga ano lang siguro ilang. Did it go for a minute, Bob? Daddy? Did it go for a minute?
Huh?
Did it go for a minute? Or just a few seconds?
Yeah, seconds. Like maybe 10 seconds.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
not 10 seconds.
That's a
More
doggy.
than that. There's a doggy.
Okay.
You love the dog?
A few moments later.
Here's our iced chocolate.
I'll ask her
Ayan. Huh?
for marshmallow.
What would you like, honey?
Marshmallow?
I want it.
Yum. Did you say hi to Tito? Did you?
That's the break activity, right? And that's what
Gusto niyang mag-hi kay Tito doon, no? Kasi manghihingi siya ng marshmallow.
that's where you switch your
You ready to break, anak?
No, keep going.
It's alright, you can go. We're nearly home and our little girl still asleep. Sabi ko naman maganda ang tulog niyan kasi nakaligo. This way, honey.
Mine?
Hmm?
I want to run over that drain.
Big girl na talaga to siya, kasi back and forth. Nag-scooter lang siya. Sobrang sakit ng paa ko eh. Hate the shoes. Ito yung sinusuot ko sa walking. It's not meant for walking. Pang char-char lang to siya na shoes. It's very uncomfortable.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, mga tita and titos. Kakauwi lang namin and paiyak-iyak na tong ating... Malapit na kasing mag 3 o'clock, guys. Nagugutom na to siya. Umiiyak pero nakapikit yung kanyang mata. Okay, Didi na lang. Didi. Hawalak ko. You awake now? You awake now? Ading. Hawalak ko. Hello, tita and tito. Chupo. Ang ating ate Paris ay nasa labas pa, guys. Gusto pa niyang anong tawag dito? Scooter. Ay, sorry. Okay. Yan. Nakadidi na. Hello, princess. Hello. Bless you.
Sorry.
Have a look. Is this you? Meh. Pinahawakan ko kay Daddy Mike kasi. Hipapare? Gusto ko magluto ng ng saging. Hindi pa magluto, guys. Anuhin lang. Ilagay lang sa microwave ba? Hello, shush. Ay, ko idol ay nasad na. Hello, say hi anak to tita and tito.
Say hi.
Hello.
Yo. Bah.
Peekaboo.
Bah.
Peekaboo.
Bah. Yay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ate Paris ay nandyan sa baba.
Can I have a popsicle, please?
Sure. Ano ko ng saging? Alam niyo yung saging na... grabe guys. Nagdulay-dulay siya ba? Saging na... Saba. Gusto kong initin lang. Yung binili ko sa Filipino shop pa. Madali lang yun kasi hindi na kailangan lutuin. Kailangan nang ilagay sa microwave para initin. Gusto nila din ko. Ito. Tingnan nyo ang ginawa niya. Para makakain din ang ating baby girl. Ate Paris. Ayan. Avocado to siya guys with spinach. Ayan. Tapos ginawang popsicle.
And honey.
And honey.
And yogurt.
Pero ewan ko kung ginakain ba niya.
And you gotta hold the...
Did she eat it?
I don't know. It's like half of it. Yeah, for that.
Do you want this?
No, don't use that part. You gotta grip the outside of it, like the circle part.
This one?
Thank you. That's for me. Yes.
3 frozen saba banana. Ayan, tingnan nyo, parang bato talaga. So, just put it in the microwave for, tingnan natin ng 5 minutes if okay lang. Sobrang sarap. Here it is. Ayan, so soft na siya. Can you see? It's steaming. Sobrang init. Hala. Kung hindi enough ang 5 minutes? Eh?
Mommy, Daddy won my candy. He's won one, and I make this one.
Come here. Would you like to give one to Daddy?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Bigay lang kayo kasi hi sa tita and tito. Oh.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
I just heard something like.
That's the chips.
I'll give Daddy one of the ones.
Okay.
Ah.
Daddy's gonna have one. Give
Give
it
it
to
to
Daddy.
Daddy. No, give it
Yours,
Daddy.
Daddy's.
Get out.
There you go. One.
Put it with the candies.
There.
Yeah. You already have one or two.
It's so yummy.
Yeah. So, kanina guys, while nandun kami sa shops, pinabili ko si Daddy Mike nito. Minced pork, tsaka itong cheese na to. Ayan. So, ito yung pinaka-close na cheese sa, Eden cheese. Wala kasi kaming Eden cheese dito, guys. Bawal daw papunta. Nung pumunta ako ng Filipino shop, sabi ni ate, kasi nagtanong ako kung bakit walang Eden cheese. Kasi sobrang tagal ko na talaga naghanap nito. And sabi niya, bawal daw talaga. Hindi daw hindi pinapayagan ng Australia na magdala ng cheese dito, kahit anong klaseng cheese. So, ito siya from Safeway. Ito yung pinaka-close na makukuha mo. And, pahirapan daw yung paghahanap dito, sabi ni Daddy Mike. Kasi hindi siya kasama sa mga cheese, the normal cheese talaga. Kasama niya yung mga jam, kasi they consider it as a spread. Ayan. So, that's it. And then, ayan. Kasi mag-spaghetti tayo, guys. Filipino style. Kung may time tayo mamaya. We'll see how it goes. But yan yung plano ko. Kung magpalapag ang ating baby Celine. And I have this. Ayan. Kukunin ko na si baby Celine kay Daddy Mike kasi he wants to take Paris to the park. Parang kulang talaga yung 5 minutes, guys. Medyo maginaw pa yung loob. She's sleeping na yabab. We'll see. This should be enough na. Ayun na. Narinig ko na umiiyak. What's going on there?
Mommy, Gaston. This is Gaston.
What's Gaston? Don't make noise, Gaston.
Daddy? Yeah. Daddy, look. Daddy, look. Hey.
Very sleepy kasi talaga yan siya.
Money. Pass. Pass. Okay, money. Nah, I told you not to tell mommy. Why you tell mommy for?
You can keep a promise. You can keep a lie. Sige, show me. Don't make a lot of noise. Don't make a lot of noise. Baka makamata si baby siya.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone! Good afternoon. It's now 5 o'clock. And gising na gising ang ating baby. Kaya nakaudo siya at nag-explode kaya nagbihis kami guys. Tingnan nyo. Naka-shorts. Shorts. Nganong nag-shorts ka? Nganong nag-shorts ka? Puti man ko pa. Puti ka pa na? Hello, tingnan nyo oh, nagdulay-dulay na naman. Over na po sa milk na. Yan, nakauwi na si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris from the park.
That's right.
Kakapasok ko lang talaga nila guys. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog before kasi ito siya. Inalagaan ko muna. Nak, no? Kasi hindi pa to siya gising na gising kanina na ganito oh. Parang half asleep. Ngayon, gising na. Tsaka pa ako nakapag-vlog. Ate Paris, did you have fun at the park?
Yeah.
Did you make friends?
Yeah.
Can you remember their names?
No.
Oh, no. Why not? Have a look at baby Celine's face now. Look, she's smiling. Peekaboo! Say peekaboo na. Say peekaboo. Peekaboo, baby Celine. Peekaboo! Okay, again. Peekaboo, baby Celine.
Diana helped create. Parents, the game is
Peekaboo ka
available
na,
in
Paris na.
the App Store
Peekaboo! Hala, sipot lang kayo, baby. Okay, mag-stand up.
Daddy?
Agay, ewan ko guys kung makakapagluto tayo nito ng spaghetti ba? Kasi ito shush lang hab. Hindi ko muna papatulog kasi parang most of the ngayon today. Natulog siya ba? Ayokong anuhin kaya. Baka hindi naman to makatulog mamayang gabi.
The other one, that one.
Nok ba? How about we play? Daddy, can you please put that mat on the floor?
I want to say.
Yeah.
Hey, Joy. We'll get this little one to have a tummy time. Tummy time. Daddy will put the mat for us.
Yeah.
Do it properly. Yeah. Shh. We'll go have tummy time. Huh?
Make it smile. Yeah. Happy birthday. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Baby ching. Baby girl. Hi. Hello. Shh. Hi. Nyang. Where is mommy? Lift your head.
What color is Celine's eyes, Mommy?
Hello? Anybody home? What you eating? Show me what you're eating.
Superhero rice bubble.
A superhero rice bubble. Do you love it? Can I have some?
Yeah.
Mommy's cooking spaghetti. spaghetti. This one here. I think this one is sleepy. Si kilala na. Good dancing, daddy. I'm starting to. There's our meat. And then, gusto kong mag-ano, guys. Kain-kain snacks while cooking. Meron tayong ding-dong dito. From the Filipina shop din. Ayan. The sauce is cooking. And here is the ulo. Ayan ang ating pasta.
I want to do Legos of face.
What is that?
I want to do Legos of face.
Do you wanna look like Elsa face?
Yeah.
Or someone's talking to her tita.
Mommy, I want to be like an Elsa
Tell her
face.
tita.
Mommy, Mommy,
Yes.
how can we do like Elsa face?
Do you wanna look like Elsa?
Yeah, Elsa face.
Okay.
And then Elsa dress, Elsa face.
If you eat more, then you look like Elsa.
No. There, like that one over there.
Andito yung aming cheese, guys, oh.
Right? Like
Malapit
that,
lang maubos ni Paris.
I want Elsa face like this one. Okay.
What's that? Talk to tita.
I want to put this back. I want this to my Elsa face.
What is it?
I'm a this button. I made this button.
What button?
This one.
Alam ko, English siya, baka di ka sabot si tata.
Like button.
Tita can't understand you. You need to speak Bisaya.
Igna, ambot. Say ambot.
Ambot.
May lam ni mo.
Say, kabi, ambot.
May lam ni mo.
Ambot.
Pares.
Ambot.
Paminaw sa siya ta. Ambot. Ta, ambot.
Ambot.
Ambot ni mo.
Ambot.
Grabe ka lang. Pares, follow tita Pares. Say, dito parky.
Ano ba? Samo ka na, sige, magkuha na po na siya, o filter.
Dito parky.
Sabi, dito?
Dito.
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 Parky.
Like
Parky?
Kulang.
Piggy.
Kulang.
Piggy man.
Parky man daw ko.
Piggy man.
Kulang?
Dito parky.
Kulang?
Hola.
Tao.
Tayo.
Tao.
Tayo.
Tao.
Tayo.
Tao.
Tao.
Tayo.
Kabali lagi di siya makna. Para tong kanak ba?
I wanna be like a
Di ba
tiger.
katong pilikan, ya picklen. Yang skeleton, skeleton. Ang kwan mak, picnic. Pinkin.
Aliens.
Aliens. Okay. How about you say pelicans? Pelicans.
Piglins. I can't.
Isa ba? Skeleton.
Popular.
Skeleton.
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 Skeleton. Aliens.
Picnic.
Piggy.
Picnic.
Picnic.
Picnic. Picnic. Picnic. Hi, baby Celine. Got Paris getting you a nappy. Give me a nappy, Ate Paris. Ay, shush. Thank you, Ate. Oh, see? Ate Paris give you a nappy. Sleepy na to siya, guys. Change ko na nappy and all. Bigyan ko na. Pasuot ko na ng damit pantulog na. Para patulog na tong baby na to. Oh, cute. It's so right now. her it's okay, anak. See, it's okay. Hilong si Iya. Kajut. You like being naked? Oh, it's okay. See, we'll put the long sleeve so we can go to bed and be warm. Yeah?
Sleep here because I'm having food.
What is it?
I'm going to have food and then I will go to bed.
Yeah, you're gonna have food first. That's right.
Bye. I'm still working.
You okay?
Okay.
Time check. It's now 8:20 ng gabi. And believe it or not, ang aking mata ay nahuhulog na guys. Kaya nagpapadede pala tayo ngayon sa ating baby girl. Ayan. Nabihisan ko na siya pang tulog. And pinalinisan ko lang kay Daddy Mike yung bed natin. Para after here, we'll go to bed. We'll tuck in baby Celine sa bed. Ang ating Ate Paris ay I think mamaya pa yan siya. Mura na siya correct guys. O siya na yung nag-change ng ano gusto niyang i-watch sa YouTube.
I love that song.
You love that?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, Brian.
I'm watching Ryan.
Are you?
I'm on K.
That's cool. Ayan. So, pag ganitong oras na guys, mga 8 o'clock, pagpatak ng 8 o'clock, ako, sobrang tired na ako guys. Like, I can't fall asleep. Ito siya, paano na, Close na ang kanyang eyes.